So you've been charged with a DUI, and one of the first things you're thinking is, how much is this going to cost me? That's always one of the first questions I get asked. Not only how much it is going to cost to hire a drunk driving lawyer, but also the other court costs, fines, classes, etc. Knowing the factors that affect DUI lawyer costs is key to making an informed decision and finding the right DUI defense attorney for your case. The costs of hiring a DUI lawyer are affected by many things. Experience and reputation of the lawyer, the complexity of your case, location, and amount of time and effort required all play a role in the fees. By knowing these factors, you can value the services and make a decision that fits your budget and expectations. Today, I'll cover some of the factors that affect the attorney's fees when hiring a DUI or criminal defense lawyer. Experience of the lawyer. When hiring a DUI lawyer, the experience and expertise of the attorney can be a big factor in the cost. Lawyers who have been handling DUI cases for years and have a proven track record of results charge more than those who are new to the field or have less experience. The level of expertise a DUI lawyer has can directly impact the quality of representation and the outcome of the case. Experienced lawyers have a deep understanding of DUI laws, court procedures, and defense strategies. They are better equipped to navigate the complexities of a DUI case, negotiate with prosecutors, and advocate for their clients. This level of expertise and the value it brings to the client's case can justify the higher fees of more experienced DUI lawyers. Clients who value the qualifications and track record of their DUI lawyer may be willing to pay more for the peace of mind of quality representation and a better outcome. Complexity of the case. The complexity of a DUI case can also affect the cost of a DUI lawyer. Factors such as the circumstances of the arrest, the evidence involved, and the potential consequences can all contribute to the complexity of the case. For example, a simple DUI, first-time offense, and low BAC may be less complex and require less resources from the lawyer and therefore lower fees. But cases with aggravating factors such as high BAC, prior DUIs, or additional charges like vehicular manslaughter can be much more complex and time-consuming to defend. One of the biggest factors that drives our pricing is past history of drunk driving convictions. For example, if a person is facing their fourth conviction and therefore a felony in Colorado, it will be much more expensive than a first DUI charge. In these more complex cases, the DUI lawyer may need to invest a lot of time and resources in building a defense strategy, conducting investigations, and potentially hiring expert witnesses or forensic specialists. The extra time and effort can mean higher fees for the client. Lawyers may also charge more for cases with complex legal issues, such as challenging the legality of the traffic stop or the results of the breathalyzer or blood test. This can lead to motions work and hearings if there are legal or constitutional challenges to the stop and recharges. It's important for clients to know that the complexity of their DUI case can directly impact the cost of a lawyer. By being upfront about the details of their case, clients can better understand the level of expertise and resources required and make an informed decision about the lawyer and the fees. Flat fees hourly. The type of fee agreement, flat fees hourly, is very important when considering the total price you'll be paying for legal services. For example, if you are paying your DUI defense lawyer an hourly rate, let's say $500 an hour, the attorney's fees can get very high very quickly. You are paying your attorney for the time they spend on your case, reviewing discovery, researching legal issues, telephone calls, court dates, etc. It isn't uncommon for me to spend 20+ hours of work on a DUI case from intake to sentencing. Now, if a case proceeds to motions and trial, the hours spent can easily double. If you are on a flat fee, the attorney's fees are a set amount for a certain scope of work. Some things to discuss are, is there an additional trial fee? Is the DMV hearing included? What about probation revocations? If you are opting for a flat fee, make sure to discuss with your attorney what is included in the fee. You don't want to be surprised by additional costs or find out that certain things weren't covered. Location and jurisdiction. The geographical location and jurisdiction where a DUI case is being handled can also impact the cost of a DUI lawyer. The cost of living and the market rate for legal services in a particular area can affect the fees of a DUI lawyer. Lawyers in high-cost metropolitan areas or urban centers like New York, Los Angeles, or San Francisco will charge more than those in smaller rural areas. This is because of the higher overhead costs of operating a law practice in these areas and the higher demand for specialized services in these densely populated regions. For example, a Colorado DUI lawyer in Denver or Colorado Springs will often cost more than in, say, La Junta or Alamosa. Keep in mind, there are many factors that can affect pricing. Location is just one of them. The specific jurisdiction in court where the DUI case is being heard can impact the lawyer's fees. Different states, counties, or municipalities have different laws, regulations, and court procedures for DUI cases, which can require the lawyer to invest more time and resources in understanding the local legal environment. Lawyers who have experience and relationships in a particular jurisdiction can navigate the system more efficiently and may charge more. Clients should consider the location and jurisdiction of their DUI case when evaluating the cost of a lawyer. Research the market rate for DUI legal services in their area, and they will know what to expect and make an informed decision that fits their budget and legal needs. Reputation and track record of the lawyer. The reputation and track record of a DUI lawyer can also affect the cost of their services. Lawyers who have a good reputation for good results, effective advocacy, and client satisfaction will charge more than those with a weaker or less impressive track record. Clients who want the best lawyer for their DUI case may be willing to pay more for a lawyer with a good track record. These lawyers have established themselves in the legal community. This can give them an advantage in getting good results or navigating the system. Further, lawyers with a good reputation may have a higher success rate in DUI cases, which can justify the higher fees. Clients may be willing to pay more for the peace of mind and higher chance of a good result that comes with hiring a reputable and experienced DUI lawyer. Clients should research the reputation and track record of any DUI lawyer they are considering. This means reading online reviews, checking the lawyer's professional affiliations and awards, and getting referrals from trusted sources. By knowing the lawyer's reputation and past results, clients can make a better decision about the value and cost of their legal representation. Additional services and resources provided. When hiring a DUI lawyer, the cost can also be impacted by the additional services and resources the lawyer provides beyond the basic legal representation. Some DUI lawyers may offer more services, which can justify the higher fees. For example, some DUI lawyers may include the cost of expert witness testimony, such as a forensic toxicologist or accident reconstruction specialist, in their legal fees. These experts can be critical in challenging the prosecution's evidence or providing an alternative explanation for the DUI incident, which can improve the client's chance of a good result. These experts can cost thousands of dollars, so ask your attorney how that is factored into the cost. Also, some DUI lawyers may offer additional support services such as finding counseling, rehabilitation program referrals, or assistance with license reinstatement. These extra services can be helpful for clients who want a more holistic approach to their DUI case, as they can address the underlying issues and long-term consequences of a DUI conviction. DUI lawyers who have access to advanced legal resources such as specialized software, extensive case law databases, or a team of legal assistants can provide a higher level of service and attention to their clients. These resources can allow the lawyer to do more research, prepare more comprehensive legal strategies, and respond faster to the demands of the case, which can justify the higher fees. Clients should review the additional services and resources offered by DUI lawyers and how they apply to their situation. By knowing the value of these extras, clients can make a better decision about the lawyer and the cost. Time and work involved in the case. The time a DUI lawyer has to put into a case can also affect the cost of their services. DUI cases can be very different in complexity and resources required, and lawyers will charge accordingly. For straightforward DUI cases where the evidence is clear and the legal issues are simple, the lawyer may be able to handle the case quicker and require less hours of work. In these cases, the lawyer's fees may be lower, as they can streamline the process and spend less time on the case. But for more complicated DUI cases where the lawyer has to invest a lot of time and resources into building a full defense strategy, the fees may be higher. This can include conducting extensive research, reviewing and analyzing evidence, negotiating with prosecutors, trial preparation, and potentially taking the case to jury trial. The more time and work the lawyer has to put into the case, the higher the overall cost will be. A lawyer's hourly rate can also affect the total cost of the case. Lawyers with more experience or specialized expertise may charge higher hourly rates, which can result in higher overall fees, even if the time and work is the same as a less experienced or specialized lawyer. Clients should ask the potential lawyers how much time and work they think their DUI case will require and how that will translate into the overall cost of legal representation. By knowing the resources and time involved, clients can make a better decision about the lawyer and budget for their DUI case. This is a big factor when deciding between a flat fee or hourly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to stay informed about DUI laws, legal tips, and ways to protect your rights, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.